Today I will provide an overview of 5 main gear types. Each of these gear types offers its own unique strengths and characteristics to meet application requirements. So let's dive into the characteristics of these types. Helical gear units are suitable for applications requiring high output torques. In general, helical gear units offer quieter and smoother operation and also a better service life compared to spur gear units on account of the fact that they offer a more gradual meshing of gear teeth. Shaft-mounted helical gear units offer a slim and compact housing design, which helps to save space in the application. Unlike inline helical gear units, this particular gear type is suitable for both solid and hollow output shafts. Helical bevel gear units can transmit power at a right angle to the motor shaft at a very high efficiency at any speed. An additional benefit of the helical bevel gear unit is that it offers high fatigue strength gears to handle shock loading. Helical worm gear units are a less expensive alternative to helical bevel gear units. While notably less efficient than other gear types, helical worm gear units do operate more quietly and offer high backdriving resistance to stop loads and applications. Planetary gear units are very efficient with a high torque to weight ratio and very low backlash. One of the drawbacks is that this gear type requires specialized maintenance due to the complex and costly design. With a wide variety of configuration options available, these gear units can be configured to meet your specific application requirements. For more information, all you have to do is contact us at KEBamerica.com.